Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. All right, welcome to App Grind TV. And I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. So today we're going to talk about how you can make $20 in your first 60 minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And lastly, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And make sure you type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. All right, guys, I don't want to waste you guys' time. So let me go ahead and get into this. Do not skip. Watch the full video, because it's going to be some steps you need to take that's really going to benefit you in making as much money as you can with this website. And also, you won't have to do that much work when I show you these steps. All right. So I'm at this website. I'm going to tell you the name of the website in a minute. So what you're going to be doing is doing kind of user testing type of work, but you're just going to be answering simple questions. It's real quick. Doesn't take that long to answer these simple questions about what you're going to be seeing on your laptop or phone or desktop. So they're going to send you a test that you're going to take through your email, and you test those. You look at the websites, answer those questions. Kind of, like I said, it's kind of like a little test. And after you answer them, you get rewards and you get paid. So let's just scroll down here. Right here is where you sign up at. It's free to sign up. It said be the first. See what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get a sneak peeks behind the scenes. Take tests anywhere. So addicted to your phone or tablet, fear not. You can take user tests on any device, phones, tablets, desktops. Earn rewards, so you're going to collect badges to show off to your friends and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. And let's scroll down here and read some more. Right here, it says 651,315 tests are taken and counting. And I'm going to show you a sample test. So I'm going to click right here and it's going to show you a sample test. We're going to go through this right quick. Okay, so right here it says welcome to a sample test. You're gonna the next couple of screens gonna ask you to execute a couple of different tasks. So let's click that. Right here, click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. This question will contain one image. Begin the question. So you just click on here where you get some inspiration, you know. So New York or something like that, or San Francisco, Paris, or Memphis. After you do that, you just click continue. We're going to go to the next question. What does this page make you feel? So you click where it says begin this question. And here's the question over here, and here's the choices. So I'll click anticipation. Then you click OK. Then they have another question. What do you feel? Why do you feel this way? And you don't have to answer this question if you don't want to. Click continue. And right here, this is optional also. You don't have to put any of this information if you don't want to. Click complete test, and that's it. That's all you do. And you're going to get points for that and badges. It's going to open up some badges, and you'll be able to redeem those points or those badges in for some money via PayPal. Now, let's go back to the main page here. Now, the name of this website is Enroll. So you go to enrollapp.com. They do have it as an app in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Now, what I'm going to do is take you to another website where you can hire somebody to do this for you. Now, I didn't tell you how much you're going to be getting for these tests. You're going to be getting like $20 for these tests. Like I said in the title, $20 in about 60 minutes. And you see that wasn't even really 60 minutes. But if you do 60 minutes of the work, you're going to get that much amount of money. So, but if you do not want to do any of this work, and matter of fact, if you do not want to do all the work in 60 minutes, you can do one, then have somebody else doing the other one. So you can get paid without doing any work, because this website I'm going to take you to is going to do it for you. So let me go ahead and go to that website right now. Okay, I'm at the other website. The name of this website is Micro Workers. Work and earn or offer a micro job. So at this website, you can hire people to answer those questions for you when you take that test from Enroll. And as you can see, they'll have all different type of jobs right here. And all you have to do is hire one of these micro workers to do the test, and they're just going to charge you 50 cents to $1. That's nothing. You're still going to get $19 profit. So you just come to this site right here, sign up, register. It's free to do it, and choose one of these, whatever test you get. So if it's like a survey, you just click on here, and it says welcome to the survey and micro workers administration test. So right here is what you're going to be doing. Like if you said your test is like a survey, you would have it right here. The micro worker will pick your test or your survey, and you're going to have the instructions in there on what they need to do. And if it's a link they need to click on to go check out the website to follow the instructions, that's all you have to do. Let's close this. So basically, now if you want to come here and make some money doing it too, you can do that also. But for the sake of this video, we're talking about getting people to do the work for you. So come to this website called Micro Workers after you sign up with Enroll, and go ahead and start making that money with Enroll. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now to start making $20 in your first 60 minutes. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 50 likes, guys. It's gonna help out my channel and it helps out this video if I can get at least 50 likes. That's all I ask for. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean, any questions that you wanna ask about what I have talked about today. And also don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, guys, almost halfway there. Let's get there a little bit faster. All you have to do is hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and share it. Share this everywhere, all around the internet, on all social media platforms, because I want to help everybody I can make money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thank you. Thank you, Grind family, for your support. Thank you. We're almost there to 3,000. Roll to 3,000. Let's go, guys. Let's get there. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah.